This video is a really brief introduction to Lesson 13. It's a little independent project. I'm just going to talk about what I expect to have in your project if you're a student in my class. So Code.org gives you an example here right away. And you can see there are several different things going on here. Okay, we've got at least two sprites. We've got two lines of text. We've got three shapes, a background, and there's some movement, two different kinds of movement, right? There's this random shaky movement, and then there was also some predictable movement. And we're seeing something a little bit new here that we hadn't done in prior lessons where the text is being moved as well, okay? So basically this is a really good overview of what I expect in your project. When you get to bubble 3, and it tells you to stop and plan out your scene, really take some time to do that, okay? You need, at minimum, you need a sprite, you need some text, you need a background. I encourage you to use shapes, but they're a little bit more optional. Technically text is a shape, but like here they have some ellipses in here. You could also do rectangles or lines as needed. It's an animation project, so there needs to be some sort of movement in your project, okay? It's just a scene. Think of it as one frame of a comic strip in the newspaper, except that frame is animated, okay? Not a fully playable game. There's no user interaction. It's just a brief animation, okay? Take your time, read the instructions and the tips that Code.org gives you, and have fun. I'm really excited to see what you create.